In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Claude AI. If you want to use Claude in a different language, the good news is that the process is very quick and simple. You only need to access the settings area from your account menu, and from there you can choose the language that works best for you. I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow along. To begin, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the sidebar icon there. If your sidebar is not already open, go ahead and click that icon to open it. This step is important because the sidebar gives you access to the main navigation options, including your account and settings area. If the sidebar is already visible on your screen, you can simply move on to the next step. Once the sidebar is open, direct your attention to the bottom left corner. There you'll find your Profile section. Click on your profile to open the account menu. This is where Claude keeps personal preferences and interface settings. So if you ever need to adjust how the app looks or behaves, this is usually the place to start. After clicking your profile, look for the option labeled Language. Select it to open the list of available languages. You should now see the language choices you can switch to. Click the language you want to use and Claude will update the interface accordingly. Depending on the platform or app version you're using, the change may happen instantly, or it may take a brief moment to apply, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the language in Claude AI. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately notice the update, give the interface a second to refresh. In some cases, closing and reopening the app or page can help display the new language properly. Also, if you're trying to make Claude easier to navigate for yourself or someone else, changing the language can be a great way to create a more comfortable experience. So again, the process is simple. Open the sidebar from the top left if needed, click your profile in the bottom left, choose language, and then select the language you want. Once you've done that, you're all set.